Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add documents to your Ancestry.com family tree to preserve important records and information. First of all, log in and open the tree. First, log in to the Ancestry.com, go to any browser and type Ancestry.com and log into your account, or you can simply open the application. But in application you don't have many features, so make sure to log in from the browser. Then open the family tree where you want to add the documents. At the below menu you'll see the tree option. Here your tree will be opened. Now open the family tree where you want to add the document. Now select a person. Click on a profile of the person you want to attach a document to. This opens the detailed profile page. Now step 3 is to add a document. Scroll down to the media section and click add media. Upload photos and docs. Select the document from your computer and give it a title or description for easy reference. Now another step is to save and the review. Click save. Your document is now attached to that person profile. You can view it anytime or share it with relatives. And that's it. Adding documents helps keeping your family history organized and well documented. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more genealogy tips, and I'll see you in the next one.